God. Yeah, just watch. So brilliant. It's a fucking madness. It doesn't even change. Today is the time. I mean, at this moment, they just announced clearly the winning of the Trump in presidential election, which makes me really happy. I have zero respect for this jackass, but so far so good. I don't care if it's a woman or a man, but she's just fucking nuts. Like this guy. The lawlessness is just killing me. So it just makes me happy. Any freaking law is just fantastic, even if it's just ICE's law. I'm sick of this shit. There's supposed to be some law, even if the law is just nuts. But even with all that, it's great to have some law. So let me just get some newspaper, shopping for some newspaper. There is a kiosk, which is the Kushk. Let me just find this thing. What is happening? This is, what is it, November 9. So, shopping for things, and it says total is coming back to Iran, and the corruption in one of the most famous tourists, the Iranian cave, and American diplomacy or democracy. Oh, look at this. So one of these old building, and right behind it they're constructing some mall or whatever. It's really sad. These buildings are really great. What over there? A square. What the hell? What is happening? What's going on? What is happening? Oh, foreigners. Great job. Backpacking and whatever. I don't know what's going on. You can't be backpacker and just be this kind of white. Doesn't work. How many lotions do you use? What the hell?